You might have learned about dicarboxylic acids. In dicarboxylic acids, two carboxylic groups are present. There are total 6 dicarboxylic acids. The question arises here how we can remember the common name of these 6 dicarboxylic acids. Now pay attention very carefully. Remember one small statement. We have Om se mil gaya. ओम से मिल गया प्रकाश. ओम से मिल गया प्रकाश. Statement is ओम से मिल गया प्रकाश. Now pay attention carefully. From O you can get oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. From M you can get malonic acid. Malonic acid. From S you can get succinic acid. Succinic acid. And from G you can get glutaric acid. Glutaric acid. And from A you can get adipic acid. Adipic acid. And in the last from P you can get pymalic acid. Very interesting. Pymalic acid. We have pymalic acid is there. Okay, so these are the 6 dicarboxylic acids. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.